Merry Christmas, everybody. Today is Christmas Eve, and just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for the great year you've given me on YouTube. I'm glad to be back recording again, and today I have a special Christmas present. Well, a special Christmas themed episode. I once again did the Reddit Secret Santa, and this is the package that I got from my Secret Santa, and so I'm going to open that up in just a little bit. But first off, like I said, I wanted to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. I hope you have a great Christmas Eve. My room back here is actually starting to get a little tidier, so hopefully next year at some point I'll be able to expand upon the videos that I've been doing and have a lot more awesomeness for you guys. So like I said, an update video a few weeks ago, I'm doing a trading card video and a crafting video every week. That's my goal, with the occasional something else video. So this week, it's not going to be like that. I'm doing this video. I think I'm going to have one more video later on this week, and then try to pick back up next week with the trading cards and crafting and so on. So it's time for Reddit Secret Santa. My Secret Santa was actually a guy named Grant who sent this to me, and I did open the box, but I have not opened what's inside the box. So let's do that now. First off, there's a card. Focus camera. There's a card, and it says open after. And Grant actually is subscribed to me now. So thank you, Grant, for subscribing. I hope you enjoy this opening of your gift. I'm really excited to see what's inside. So we'll open this after we open the gift. Y'all can kind of see my table back here is really junked up right now. That's next on my list of things to clean. So here's the gift, and this is quite large and quite heavy and a little squishy. So let's see what's in here. I'm very excited. Oh, okay. There it is. Oh, okay. That's interesting. There is a towel with something inside of the towel. So I don't know how you knew, Grant, but I needed a new towel. So thank you for the towel. And inside the towel is... Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. Oh, now this is cute. Okay, first off, I'm guessing this is for our little boy right here because, yeah, it is the Little Dolphin Finger Puppet book. And I'll tell you right now, Link is going to love this because I was playing with a little puppet the other day, and actually, yeah, the other day. I was playing with this little puppet that he has, and he was just smiling at it and laughing at it. So he is going to love this book. Thank you for that. Next is one of my favorites, Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. I love this book. This is awesome. Thank you, man. I'm going to have to reread it again. Don't panic. And, oh, this is awesome too. The official U.S. Army Survival Handbook. I've actually seen this in a few places and wanted to get a copy of it. So this is awesome, man. Thank you. It's going on my it's going to the top of my reading list right now. All right. So that's awesome, dude. And don't forget the lovely white towel. This rocks. I can dry myself off. Or are you telling me I need a shower? Anyway, now let's open the card. It said open after. Will this explain the towel? Oh, now this card is awesome, guys. Light it up. Look at that. Lightsabers. Yes. Already an awesome card. So, let me see. Merry Christmas, Phil. I hope to see part of this gift to give you ideas on your YouTube channel. My passions are close to many of yours and my son's, so I included a present from my son to yours. Oh, Thank you. Thank you from your son, man. Oh, and this is a removable patch. Oh, that's awesome. Don't for. Oh. Now the towel makes so much more sense, man. Why didn't I think of that? Why didn't I think of that? Dude, that is awesome. Don't forget to bring your towel. Why didn't I think of that? Dude. Anyway, thank you for the towel. I love it. I love it, man. Thank you. Merry Christmas to you guys, and Merry Christmas to everybody. Y'all have a great day today and tomorrow and the rest of this week. And even if you don't celebrate Christmas, whatever you celebrate, have the best end of this year that you can, and look forward to next year. Make next year even better. I'll talk to you guys next time.